So guys, I'm gonna show you how to create a project tab like Asana. So first, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Asana tutorials. So log into your Asana account and head over to the left sidebar. So here, let's go to the project templates and click on browse templates. No, that's click back and click on the plus button blank project to create a new blank project. Name, for example, project 2, and click on continue. Make sure you check these are options, the deadline, list overview, the dashboard, and the workload options for your project, and click on create project. Now your project is being created successfully here. So here you found the timeline option, found the new project name, click on timeline. And here we get to the timeline of your project. So normally here you'll find some tasks here to assign based on your project timeline. Assign tasks to your teammates, and the tasks will appear on your project timeline here. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video, don't forget to like, subscribe.